Just because I'm an organizer doesn't mean I'm always perfectly organized. Here's my school stuff folder, and I haven't gone through this in a while. So my kids are starting school in just under 2 weeks. Actually have quite a bit of stuff to do to get them ready. I realized that my husband actually went through this not that long ago, and that's why it's not that crazy. We kind of use this for school stuff and for like invitations for the kids, like all kind of kids things together. But there's a lot of stuff in here that just don't really need. What is this? How did this get here? I don't know. So most of it is garbage. These actually aren't garbage. They're like more memory things. So I'm gonna make a note of the year and whose it was, and then I'll put it into their memory box. I was really lucky because my daughter, my eldest daughter, printed off the school supply list for her and my other daughter, because crossed off all the stuff that we already have and then made me a list of what I have left to buy. So this is exactly the type of stuff that's going back into my school folder. And just like that, this is much better. This folder lives on a wall in our kitchen that you can't actually see when you walk into the kitchen because I don't like that visual clutter, but it is an area that we use every day. It's still really accessible. And what do I keep in here? Permission forms, if there's the curriculum for the year, all that hard copy stuff that I don't necessarily get via email, basically anything to do with their school year that I might need to access later on, and I don't want to be digging through all my files upstairs for it. So how do you handle all the paperwork that comes home for your kids?